All right, so those of you looking for keto on the go stuff, here's a quick little Costco hack for sure. What's up YouTube, it's Jessie Lee, and call me #BOSSLEE, and I hope you love the video you're about to see. I'm pretty sure you will, because it's always content over here. I wanna tell you about a couple other things, specifically one that you can also get some more value from, and all you need to do, and you can do it now, just pause this video, is go ahead and text YouTube to 844-277-9762. I'm gonna be really upping the text game, and it's literally me texting you back. So if you wanna have a more one-on-one conversation with me, enjoy the video, subscribe, comment below, and make sure you text YouTube again to 844-277-9762. We have right here these gigantic hard-boiled eggs. These obviously are keto for those of you who don't know, and I'm gonna teach you how to read labels in just a second. But if you wanna check that out, you can see that it has 4 grams of fat, it has 0 grams of carbs, and it has 6 grams of protein. So if you wanna check that out, that is obviously pretty darn keto. You might wanna add some mayonnaise or some butter or etc. Definitely some salt on there, but these are organic hard-boiled eggs, especially if you are on the go. Maybe you have a really super busy life. That's a really great option for you to grab. I'm actually gonna grab these. I'm a huge fan of these. So these right here are Jack Link's cold crafted refrigerated smoked meat sticks and cheese. These are great. It's 100% beef. And something you're gonna wanna check out is you're gonna wanna look on the back label again over here, and you're gonna see what's in here. So there's 0 sugar. I don't know where the 1 gram of carbs comes from, but if you look at the ingredients, it does say the ingredients are beef, water, salt, and then contains less than 2%. I would guess the 1 carb probably comes from the 2% or less of corn syrup. So something like that is in there, but we love these. These are super, super easy to grab and go if you're trying to be keto. Okay guys, so we're here at Costco and we have holy guacamole, which you might think is like super, super good, which it actually kind of is. So I'm looking at the back of here. First of all, it is all organic, which I love. If I'm looking over the ingredients, there's nothing crazy in there. Organic avocados, tomatoes, tomato juice, citric acid, water, dehydrated onion, organic garlic, organic lime juice, etc. And then the label is good. So here's how you read. I'm gonna show you how to read a label later, but this actually per serving is only 2 grams of carbs. So great little keto option. That is your holy guacamole, organic goodness. All right, y'all, if you don't already know, pickles are super, super keto. And not only are they keto, but they're great for upping your electrolytes. So if you're somebody who is struggling and you're like, I've got cramps in my legs, first of all, you're definitely having an electrolyte imbalance, so you might wanna check that. But the other thing you should know is that you can totally drink pickle juice. That's a hack, that's a hack.